What all we have learned today so far? Not
We
today.
have learned about OPM. We have also learned ROCE, ROE till like last time. And then we learned about dividend yield. Yeah, dividend yield. We did terms, which is like a definition of terms. OPM is the profit margin, which shows us how much average profit a company gets, stuff like that.
Okay. Now, what is income?
That's how much money you get.
Sorry.
How much money you get by selling products.
Okay. So that is revenue. Now, will all revenue be of the companies? What is the cost? What's expense?
What's the expense? Expense is the things you need to spend, like eating, for food, for water, electricity bills.
What are the expenses of a company?
The place, of course, if it's rent or they made it a place, of course, water and materials for the things they make, like even if it's a software company, they need computers for it. So the materials,
Okay.
water, food.
Okay. What is the profit?
A profit is simply revenue minus expenses.
Okay. What is dividend?
Dividends is a part of the profit that goes to the shareholders.
Okay. If a company doesn't pay dividend, is it a good thing or bad thing?
It's a bad thing for the shareholders. Bad thing.
Okay.
Because their money will go to waste.
No, it is not going to waste. Whose money will go to waste?
The shareholders.
Shareholders. It's not going to waste. They are not getting the money every year. Okay. Now, what is the share price? What is CMP?
CMP is how much you have to pay for one share. Or current market price.
How do you know that it's a good price to pay?
Good price to pay. I
You don't
don't
know.
know.
You don't know. You only know the price. Whether it's a good price to pay or not, you don't know. That is what you need to analyze. Check. Do you know what's the difference between price and value?
I don't know. Price and value. Value is.
We talked about it. You buy one shirt for 500 rupees. It comes only for 1 year. Okay? You buy another shirt for 1000 rupees. It comes for 5 years. So, is the 500 rupees shirt cheap or expensive?
It's expensive if you look at it from long term. For 5 years, you need to buy again and again, and hence 500 times 5 would be 2,500, which is more compared to 1,000 rupees which you have to pay for 5 years.
So
the 1,000 rupees one is much more cheaper compared to 2,500.
Okay. So now that you know about shirts, that it is, even though 500 rupees appears cheaper, actually 1000 rupees is cheaper when you are considering longer return. Now, for stock prices, what's the price?
Stock price? Is it the current market price?
The current market price. Okay, so that we saw. But how do you know whether you are paying the right price or not? Whether it is 500 rupees shirt or 1000 rupees shirt, and whether you will get more value out of it, how will you know that?
Maybe what are the sales?
Okay, that's a one
First, you look at dividend yield. If you're getting paid well. The second would be. Sometimes the problem is there might be a lot of sales, but people may not know it is for a short time, and they buy a lot. So that and the sales would be much more better. Like it has been stable for a long time. Then you would know.
Okay, so sales is lot, but their expenses is also more. Sales is more. Sales is more. But what if their costs are more as well?
That won't be good for the company.
So you can't only look at sales. What should you look at?
Expenses. That's why OPM also dividend yield.
So you look at profits. So profit will tell you, which is what you are saying, OPM, right? So profit will tell you what was the sales, what was the expense, and whether they have profit or not. Okay, wow. So profit, for example, there are few other variances, but profit you can call it as earnings. Profit of a company is the earnings of the company. Yeah. Say for example, Appa earns from the company, say for example 1 lakh rupees. Our house expense, everything is 50,000 rupees. So what's the profit?
50,000.
So that is what the earnings is. Rita. Now, that is what earnings is. Now you have to compare the price of the share with the earnings.
Price of the share with the earnings.
Only then you will know whether it is a good company or not to buy, good value or not to buy. The company might be good because the sales is good, OPM is good, dividend yield is good, and their business is good. Okay, all of that you can say. So the company is good, the business is good, but is it the right price to pay? How will you find that out?
Comparing the price of one share to the earnings.
Prita, Jay, do you understand?
Yes.
So you will have to compare what? What are the two things you have to compare?
Price with the expenses.
No.
The price to the company, the earnings.
Earnings. Earnings is nothing but profit. But there are slight differences, but you consider as earnings. So what are the things you will consider?
Price with profit.
Profit. What is the another name for profit?
Price. Earnings.
So you will compare what? Price
And earnings.
earnings. Why should you remember we talked about ratio and absolute value. What is that?
Absolute value, when you look at it, it seems like it's more, but ratio will prove that it's less or more.
Less or more, and you can compare.
Yes.
Compare with other companies. So this price or earning is also having a ratio. It is called price to earning ratio.
PR
PE. No, PR, that's right. But
or PR.
PE. So what is PE?
Price to earning ratio.
Price to earning. So it will have some number. 10, 15, 13.5. Okay. So then what you can do is you can compare two companies. Infosys has 25 as PE. NMDC has 8.3 as PE. Okay. So what is the value? Which one is more valuable?
8.3 is NMDC and Infosys is?
Say for example 20. I don't know the PE. I'm just saying.
Infosys is probably
More valuable, but which is cheap?
NMDC.
Now NMDC's price as such might be more. It might be 1,000 rupees. But because the PE ratio is low, it is cheap comparatively. Rita, do you understand, Jenny? What? PE ratio is used to compare whether a stock is cheap or expensive. Why?
Stock is so that you will know is it a good company to invest in.
No.
To know the value.
Okay. Good company or not is because of sales, OPM, other. So we have decided it's a good company. Infosys is a good company, I have to invest. Yesterday you talked about NMDC. NMDC is a good company. Yeah, you talked about ROCE, OPM now. So it's a good company. But should I buy it now at this price? That you will talk about using PE. Rita. Huh? Why?
And like how I said, it's like how I said, it might be for 500, but it'll come for less time. So, for example, NMDC said sells clothes, for example, it might come for only about let's say 5 years, and some other company which you were thinking to invest in have it for 1,000, but it comes for 10 years.
Okay, that's a good point you are taking. Okay, but
It's to prove that if even if it's cheaper, will the value good?
so the example that you gave for shirt, how is it applicable for shares? How will you convert that for companies? How will you say instead of shirt coming for 5 years and 10 years, how will you think about
I
it?
think it's like the shares worth for amount of time.
What are the two ways we can get money back from company when we invest?
Refund.
No, we talked about two ways. In 2 ways we can get. What are the 2 ways?
Refund.
No, it is not refund. There is no refund from the company.
2 ways you can get money. You can either put an interest in the bank,
From a company.
back from a company. Then
What you are saying is from the money that you have. I'm saying from the company. You have invested in a company. How will you get money from that company?
either by dividend yield, or wait for about 5 or some years, and then by that time you would have gotten some shares, and you can just sell the shares, and then you get the money.
Okay, when I sell the share, how will I get a profit?
You sell the share.
How will I get a profit? How will I know I got a good money out of that particular share? Because it grew.
That's right.
If it grew in shares, right?
Yes, increase.
Now tell me, with the share example that you gave, compare it with shares or company. Tell me how will you relate that example?
Shares and
The short example you gave, whether it is valuable or not. Right?
so like compare it with a company. So a company might have a cheap current market price, but its value for like what do we say? How do I say it?
So we gave an example for Ashok Leyland, right? Remember? Bought it at 20 rupees, now it is 120 rupees. So what does it mean?
Its value grew. It grew with the company.
Okay, so it might be cheap because in 5 years it doubles in value, doubles in current market price. 20 rupees become 120 rupees, 6 times it becomes. Really? So when you sell it at 120, you get a lot of money. In that 10 years, you get dividend also every year. So that you get money also that way. So that is how you will know whether you make money out of investing in a company or not.